Alright, so relocated the wire to go behind that cord there. Everything's still intact. Put the battery tray in. Go into the hole right here. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the battery in. I just dropped my phone, broke my screen. Yeah, that's the life of this. Alright, so here we go. Put the battery in. Just want to make sure that it's in the tray. Okay. Then we have to make sure that we're able to hook up the crossbar to go on top of it, okay? So let's go ahead and clamp that down now with this crossbar. Alright, so slides up underneath like this. This hook has to be hooked on the back side. It's a hole back here that it has to be hooked onto. So you want to make sure that you get it in that hole. This clamp here needs to be on there, on the battery, in the hole. Yo!
Can I use your bathroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And this goes in there. Boom, it's in the hook back there. It's in there. Now we tighten it down. Tighten down the battery. Clamp it with this because I don't have a tool to go over the bolt. So we just turn it like this with the pliers. Old school, old school. Get it tight though.
You wanna take a look, everything?